friends, I am Dr. Mahua Roy, consultant pediatric cardiologist from R N Tagore Hospital, Kolkata. As a parents, you might have lots of queries in your mind regarding COVID vaccination in your child. Should your child get COVID vaccination or not? As a doctor, my answer and my recommendation is that he should get COVID vaccination as early as possible. There are various reasons behind it. Number one, educational institute like school and colleges are closed for a long time. We cannot allow prolonged closing of such educational institute. So we need to open up as early as possible. So before sending your child to those institute, it is better to get vaccinated. Number two, COVID vaccination cannot give you 100% guarantee that your child won't get COVID. But if unfortunately he gets COVID, then there is less chance of severe disease, oxygen requirement, hospitalization, and above all, mortality is also less in those who have taken COVID vaccination. And number three, like that of comorbidity in adult, if your child is suffering with any underlying disorder like congenital heart disease, kidney disease, asthma or anything, then your child should get the priority list, because as like comorbidity in adult, if your child gets COVID infection along with underlying disease, then there is high chance of complication. So please don't worry, please go to the nearest vaccination center and get it done. Thank you.